Despite growing up as a millennial, my fingers will never type as fast on a touchscreen as they will on an actual keyboard. And as I do more and more of my work on the go with my cell phone and my tablet, a foldable wireless Bluetooth keyboard like this makes all the difference. Let's take a look at it. What's up everybody, my name is Jordan, this is the Phase Reviews YouTube channel. If you're new here, thank you for joining me, and if you're a subscriber, welcome back as always. In this video, I'm going to give you a full walkthrough of this awesome Bluetooth foldable wireless keyboard that works perfectly with my iPhone, also with Android devices, also with anything else with a Bluetooth connection. It's super compact, can fit in your pocket, holds a lot of battery charge, and I've absolutely loved it. I'm going to give you a full unboxing, walk you through all the specs and features, the setup on this guy, and let you know my thoughts on whether or not it's worth picking up. Now, before we dive into the unboxing, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell, leave a comment, and like the video. All those things help me to keep bringing you content each and every week, or every other week or so. But let's not waste any more time and jump right into the unboxing. So let's get down to the unboxing. Now, the packaging is nothing to write home about, but it does tell us a few things about the specs and the functionality of the keyboard. For example, it is multi-system compatible, so you're gonna have your Android and your iOS support, and you can use up to 3 different devices with this keyboard. And you can switch between them very easy. It says 1 key switch, there's actually a couple of keys, but regardless, it's very easy to use this with different devices. Sensitive touchpad for more efficiency, comfortable and fast typing experience, and rich multimedia capabilities. But enough talk, let's crack this thing open. Now, inside of the packaging, you're gonna of course get a little user manual here. This was actually very handy for me because just figuring out how to switch between your different devices and pair, it's really nice to have that. You can also see on here the different function keys explain what each one does. You can change the brightness of things, you can switch tracks, mute, volume up and down, all that kind of stuff. All of that is explained in the manual. You've also got the keyboard itself, which I'm going to set up to the side here for a moment. They do include this small kickstand type thing that you can use for your device. So if you're typing on your iPad, for example, this will prop it up so it's at a nice angle. It's very lightweight, very, very cheap, nothing to write home about there, but cool that they include that. And then they also are going to include your USB charging plug. This does have USB-C for charging. Well, let me pull that up. There we go. And so it's nice that they included that in the box, kind of becoming standard, but we'll point it out nonetheless. Now, let's get to the keyboard itself. It's in this nice plastic here, and you can see form factor wise, you could probably slip that in a large cargo pant pocket, definitely in a purse, definitely in a backpack. It lives up to its name when it comes to being easy to transport and very compact. Now with it folded up, you can see a few different things here. Let me hold that up, there you go. You've got your power switch right here, off and on, and then your charging port. Nothing on the other side, nothing on the ends, and nothing on the back except for some rubber feet to keep it firmly planted on your surface. Now, opening the keyboard up, the first thing that stood out to me when using this is that the keys that are right on the folding line over here on the left side are quite small. Your V, your F, your T. This does make typing a little difficult, which you'll see in just a moment, but I still managed to adapt to the keyboard and use it just fine. We've got our touchpad over here on the right, and above the touchpad are a few different LED indicator lights. We've got one for the Bluetooth being on, one for the battery, and then one for the caps lock as well. Okay, so using this keyboard is quite easy. If I just flip the on switch right here, you're gonna see the battery indicator light come on, and then your function key down here at the bottom is in blue, and so all of the different functions are laid out on the keys, and on Q, W, and E you're going to see BT1, BT2, and BT3. I've paired my iPad to BT1, so if I just hit function and Q, you'll see the Bluetooth icon light up, and it flashed there for a second. All we have to do is hit function and C, which is pairing, and it will pair to my device, which I've paired to it before. So let me grab my iPad and we'll do a quick test. Okay, so I grabbed my iPad, the keyboard is now paired to it, and so if I use the touchpad over here, you're gonna see on the iPad the little cursor move around, and there's, I mean, a very, very tiny bit of lag, but nothing that's unusable. I can easily go up here and dismiss that bar. We've also got our swipe features right here. You can kind of swipe between your different screens very easily. You've got multi-touch gesture, 2-finger, 3-finger, up, left, right, the whole 9 yards. Now when it comes to typing, if we click on the actual screen, and then I'm gonna turn this sideways for you guys. Got this propped up so you can see. We'll hit restart test and we'll just start typing. Now, like I mentioned, the hardest thing is those small letters right by the crease on the left-hand side, but once you've done it for a bit, you get used to them. You can see it's hard. The delete key is also quite small, which is something that I would have liked to see bigger because I make a fair bit of mistakes. Okay, but I mean, 62 words per minute, 95% accuracy, still able to keep up a lot of what I normally type. I believe I'm usually in the 80s or 90s with a little bit better accuracy, but definitely easy to type on this. Shouldn't be an issue at all when, you know, being small and easy to transport is your main criteria. This thing's gonna be great. So there you have it. This little foldable Bluetooth keyboard has been awesome to have around. With a little bit of practice, you can get used to some of the smaller keys and type a decent speed. Now, it'll never match your laptop, it'll never match your home computer or my custom built mechanicals that I've got, but in a pinch, this serves a great function, and the fact that it gets so compact and that it connects so quickly to my device, and the fact that I can pair it to multiple Bluetooth devices like my Bluetooth, my phone, and switch between them seamlessly is a huge win. If you want to grab one of these for yourself, I'll include a link down in the description. You can go buy through there and support the channel. I would of course love you for it. If you're not grabbing one of these, just go ahead and subscribe, ring the notification bell, like the video, and leave a comment. Let me know if there's another tech/office product that has helped your productivity, either for your business as a student or just for your personal life. That's going to be it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.